Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture, we'll discuss how to customize the firefighting template. So let's start. So first of all, you have to open the Revit software. Okay, so you will get the recent file window. Can you see here? So this window is called as a recent file window. Why? Because whatever project you have saved recently, you can see the preview of that project here. Okay. Now finally, come here in the model, hit on new, browse it, and now under English Imperial just go back. See, here we have a different language, so in which language you want to work, you can select the language from here. So we have to work in English language. So but in English also, when you see, we have a two option: English Imperial, English Metric. So English Imperial means if you want to work in inch, feet, pound, so you can select this, or otherwise next option is for English Metric. So here I am selecting English Imperial. Okay, now when you hit on this English Imperial, now can you see here we have a different types of template files. So if you want to run the firefighting services, always you have to select the mechanical template, correct? So the first step is to open the mechanical template under English Imperial, open it. Okay, now you can see here the mechanical template is open. Just wait for some time. Now you can see the mechanical template in the project browser. Main discipline is mechanical. Under that, HVAC is the sub discipline, and second one is the plumbing. So what I am doing, just remove the plumbing discipline from here, select the complete plumbing discipline, right click, delete it. Okay, now you know that we are working, this is our firefighting template. So main discipline, okay, I want mechanical only. Under sub discipline, I don't want to see as a HVAC. Here I want to see firefighting. Okay, so how to change that I will explain you. It is very simple. See, if you want to change the HVAC as a firefighting, so for that, what is the procedure that I will explain you. So first step is what? If you want to customize the firefighting template, first you have to open the mechanical template under English Imperial, then remove the plumbing discipline from project browser. This is your first step. Now second step is to what? You have to create the piping system for fire wet pipe, fire drain pipe, fire wet pipe, fire dry pipe, or drain pipe. Okay, already when you come here in the system, tab plumbing piping pipe, so here you can see if you want to draw the pipe in the system type, we have option of fire protection dry, fire protection wet pipe option we have already. You can select it directly from the system. But if you want to create your separate layer for fire wet pipe, for fire drain dry pipe or drain pipe, so you can create it. Because see, when I'm selecting fire wet pipe from here and I'm trying to draw the fire wet pipe, see, can you see the color of this pipe? Hit on to see the double line diagram from detail level, hit on fine. See which color they are using, black. So if you are creating your separate layer, so you can change the color, pattern, everything. See, so how to create the piping system for fire wet pipe, fire dry pipe, or drain pipe? Come here in the project browser. In project browser you will get one option, families. Hit on plus sign. Now under that, search for piping system, hit on that plus, again hit on plus. Now if you want to create the piping system for fire wet pipe, so first you have to search where is your fire protection wet. So when you get the fire protection wet, double hit on that fire protection wet, duplicate, give the name fire wet pipe. So I am giving the name fire wet pipe. I am creating one separate layer. Okay, already we have in system, but if you want to change the color, line color, pattern, so that is why we are creating one separate layer for fire wet pipe. After giving the name, just hit on OK. Now under graphics override, hit on edit. From here you can select the different pattern. You can see I have selected solid. Now color for fire wet pipe, I have decided to select red color, correct? Hit on OK, OK. Now here in abbreviation, don't forget to write down the shortcut. FWP is what? Fire wet pipe. Apply, OK. See, In the piping system, already we have created one separate layer with the name fire wet pipe. Can you see? Same way, now we have to create the piping system for fire dry pipe. So for that, double hit on fire protection dry, duplicate, and here write down fire. In the name list, write down fire dry pipe. Okay. Now under graphics override, hit on edit. Suppose the pattern I am giving solid. Color for fire dry pipe, let's say green color. Okay, and here write down the shortcut FDP. Apply, okay. See, here we have created one separate layer for fire dry pipe. Same way, now we have to create the piping system for drain pipe. So for drain pipe, you have to select the sanitary option. Double hit on sanitary, duplicate, give the name as drain pipe. Okay, hit on OK. Under graphics override, now from here you have to select the pattern solid, color, suppose drain pipe cyan color. Okay, you can select any of the color, and in abbreviation I am writing shortcut DP. Apply, okay. Can you see? Here we have created one separate layer for drain pipe. Okay, so this is the second step. So I hope that you have understood how to create the piping system for fire dry, wet and drain pipe. Clear? So we have completed. Now the third step is what? Now we have to create the fire piping. Okay, so how to create? See, come here in the system tab. In plumbing and piping, you will get one option pipe. Hit on that. Now when you see in the properties wallet, we have only two types of pipes, chilled water or standard. Okay, no problem. Select the chilled water, hit on edit type, duplicate and write down fire pipe, because I want to create one pipe types with the name fire pipe. So here I have given the name fire pipe. Okay. Now see, under routine preferences, segment and fitting, the fittings which you are using in your project. So which material, your pipe is of which type. Okay, so that is important. So under routine preferences, hit on edit, load family from here. Now see, under English Imperial only, you have to select the pipes. Then what? Fittings. Which type of pipe you are using? Carbon steel. So select the carbon steel, class 150, flange type. Now from here, what you have to do? You have to load the flange type of fitting, carbon steel, class 150. Select the T. Okay, like this. T flange, CS, class 150, reducers, elbows, cross. This all fitting you have to select from the list. Okay, and open it. Now see, once if you have loaded that, now here pipe segment, which type of pipe you are using in your project. So now I am not using copper pipe, so select the first copper and remove it. We are using steel carbon schedule 40 pipe. Okay, is it clear? Now elbow, which type? Already we have loaded, so remove the generic standard, and from the list you have to select the elbow flange type, carbon steel, class 150. Correct? Same way, remove generic standard T from here, and from the list select CS, class 150. For cross also, just remove it, and from the list select flange, carbon steel type. Same way for transition, remove the generic standard and select this one. Is it clear, this thing? Here we have a cap also, remove it. Now in the minimum size, you have to select the minimum size, or if suppose in this list, if all option is given, so better is to select the all option, but here it is not given, so we have selected. But here in this elbow, select all. Okay, from the minimum, in the minimum size, remember we have to select the all option like this. So I think we have done. After doing this all setting, hit on OK, then finally apply OK. So this is our what? Third step. In this way we have to create the fire pipe. Now if you want to draw the pipe, simple, system tab, plumbing pipe, plumbing and piping panel, hit on pipe. From the list, now select the fire pipe, and now which type of pipe you want to draw. So in the system type, see now, here we have already created fire dry pipe, drain pipe, even fire wet pipe. So if you want to run the fire wet pipe, select that pipe and draw it. See, can you see the line, color and everything? red color, and the pattern we are using solid. So in this way you have to create the fire piping. Is it clear? Now the fourth step and the last step is what? As I told you in starting, when you see in the project browser, sub-discipline is showing HVAC, but I want to change the sub-discipline as a firefighting. Okay, so you can do the changes, simple. For that, what you have to do, come here in the view tab. In create panel, you will get one option here, plan views. Hit on this drop down list. From here, you have to select the floor plan. Now, edit type. Under view template applied to new views, you have to hit on mechanical plan. Okay. Now, from the name list, select the mechanical only and duplicate it. And give the name as a firefighting, let's say. Okay. Hit on OK. See now. Now from the name list, select the firefighting, and in view properties, if you check, you can change the sub-discipline or main discipline from here. Okay. See, the main discipline is showing mechanical. Can you see? If you want to change as a firefighting, you can change it. But here, main discipline, I want mechanical only. So I have selected here mechanical. But the sub-discipline right now it is HVAC. You can see in the project browser. But I don't want to see sub-discipline as a HVAC because we have to start the firefighting services. So I want to see firefighting. But when you check in the list, there is no firefighting discipline. Okay, if it is not there, just type manually firefighting, correct? And then hit on apply, okay, apply, okay. Hit on okay from. Now see, right now when you see, then also the sub-discipline is showing HVAC, no problem. Select the complete HVAC with the help of shift key. Now see, here in the properties palette, what you have to do, sub-discipline you have to change it as a firefighting because already we have typed the firefighting. Now when you see your main discipline is mechanical, sub-discipline firefighting, under that floor plan, ceiling plan, 3D views, elevation, you can see that. Clear? So in this way generally you have to change the sub-discipline firefighting. Okay. After doing this all setting, now the last thing, you have to save this template file. For in future, let's say in future, if you want to run the firefighting services, so don't need to do again and again this setting. Once if you have saved this firefighting template in desired location, so from that location you can open it whenever you want to start the firefighting services. So see, after customizing the firefighting template, just come here in the file tab, save as what? Template. And where you want to save, in the desktop with the name firefighting template. Okay, I have given the name firefighting template, save it. Okay, now see, the firefighting template is saved. Now close the current working window from here. Now whenever you want to start the firefighting services, now if you want to open, already we have created, now we have customized that firefighting template. So simple, just from the model hit on new, browse, and from here, from the desired location, for example in desktop we have saved firefighting template, just select it, open it. Okay, now in this firefighting template you can start your work. Okay, because already we have customized this template file. So in this way, we have to customize the firefighting template. Hope all of you enjoy the session. See you in next one.